Yay! Today is 1st of December 2025 and let's open my first ever advent calendar. My friend gifted it to me in August and I was waiting for 4 months to open it. It's a jigsaw puzzle with 1008 pieces. I think there should be some packets with pieces, because here is the numbers, so like every day I will get a part of the puzzle, and on the Christmas Eve I will finish the whole one. Let's see what they have inside. Yeah, by the way, the picture should be like this, like a Christmas scene, whatever. Oh, wow, it's even prettier than I thought. It's like 24 boxes. Let's see what I have in the first one. Yay. Oh, wow. It's a lot. It's quite a lot of them. Because I thought it will be like a small piece of the puzzle, but no. I didn't know how many pieces here. Well, you can count, you can divide 1024 and send me the answer. So yeah, I'm excited. I have my first ever advent calendar and I'm going to solve my puzzle.